Hello readers, welcome back to my classes. So today we are going to study about cell cycle in mitosis. Okay, so the contents of this slide would include cell cycle, what is mitosis, phases of mitosis, and also its significance. So what is this cell cycle? Cell cycle is basically a division of cells where along with its phases it renders to the replacement of body cells which are either worn out or they are dead. So this involves two phases, that is interphase, the resting phase, or the M phase of mitosis. So the first phase is the interphase or the resting phase. Why is it called resting phase? Because it does not include any major processes occurring here. It's just a stage where the cell gets itself ready, it gets itself prepared for cell division and replication. That's it. So this includes three phases, that is G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase. So in G1 phase, the cell is metabolically active, it grows bigger in size, but the DNA does not replicate in this stage. While in synthesis phase or the S phase, the DNA synthesis occurs, causing doubling of DNA per cell. However, the chromosome number remains same, they don't multiply. And the last phase in interphase is G2 phase. Here some adult cells like heart cells, they do not undergo mitosis, or they do not undergo any cell division occasionally. They undergo only when there is a requirement. So such cells, they do not undergo any further division. So subsequently they enter into an inactive stage called G2 phase or the quiescent step. Okay, so let's move to mitosis. Mitosis is also known as equational division. It is very essential. So it is a type of cell division where a single parent cell divides itself into two, and it results into two daughter cells having constant number of chromosomes as the same number of chromosomes as they were present in the parent cell. Now this includes four stages, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And it is also to be noted that mitosis occurs in somatic cells and nowhere else. Okay, so this occurs in somatic cells. So moving on to next one, the phases of mitosis. So now the phases of mitosis includes prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So in prophase, we see two important activities occurring. Here, the chromosomal material condenses to form compact mitotic chromosomes, and they are seen to be composed of two chromatids attached together at the centromere. And the second activity that we see is that there will be an initiation of the assembly of microtubules, and the proteinaceous components of the cell cytoplasm will help the process to move further. At the end, you won't see any Golgi complexes, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleolus, and also nuclear envelope is also not seen distinctly. So the next phase is the metaphase, where the spindle fibers, they attach to kinetochores of chromosomes and they move to the spindle equator or poles and get aligned along metaphase plate through spindle fibers to both the poles. Then here, when you observe under a microscope, you would see there would be cluster of chromosome assembling at this in the center of the plate. And then the next phase would be anaphase. So in anaphase, centromeres, they split and chromatids separate, they move towards the opposite poles. And the last phase will be the telophase. In telophase, the chromosomes cluster at opposite spindle poles and their identity is lost as discrete elements, and you can see nuclear envelope distinctly forming into two daughter cells, but they are not separated right now. So the two daughter cells will get separated through a process called cytokinesis, and both the cells will get the equal amount of the cell organelles present inside the parent cell. So these were our phases. So now let's move to the significance. The significance here of mitosis plays a very important role in every organism. The significance it holds is that it helps the cell growth and repair of an organism. It results in the production of diploid daughter cells into two genetic complements, and also the major role it plays is it restores the nucleocytoplasmic ratio. Hope this helped many of you. Thank you.